So there was a trade between whom? Between India and Europe. Trade between India and Europe. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
By which route? By land route and sea route. By which route? Land route and sea route. Clear up this much? Okay?
Yes,
As
ma'am.
they were doing trading by land route and sea route. In between, which place is coming? Constantinople. Which place is coming? Constantinople is coming. At that, over that place, a Turk Muslim. Which Muslims? Turk Muslim has stopped a sea route and land route between India and Europe. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have started finding a new sea route as these routes were stopped. So we have to discover a new sea route. Yes. So I have told you yesterday for discovering a new sea route, there will be one. First was Prince King Henry. He can't discover. So next came Bartholomew Dias. He has given a Cape of Good Hope. Third came Christopher Columbus. Who came? Christopher Columbus. Who came?
Christopher Columbus.
Columbus. This we are going to study in detail. This we are going to study in detail. Who came? Christopher Columbus. He was an Italian sailor. Christopher Columbus. Whose mic is unmute? Christopher Columbus. Aisha, mute your mic. Sorry. He was an Italian sailor. He was an Italian sailor. This you have to remember it. If you want to note down, you can note it down for in your books. It will be easier for you to learn the question answers. I'm telling you, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
So Columbus was a citizen of Italy. So he was known as Italian sailor. Yes. So he started finding a new sea route. What he has done? He has started finding a new sea route to India. As he started finding a new sea route to India, from where he started? From Italy. From where he started? From Italy to India. He started a new sea route. Clear this much?
Yes,
So, Columbus believed that by sailing westwards from Spain, from where? Westwards. Means this side is west. Okay? From westwards from Spain, he believed that he can reach to India. But where he reached? He reached to America. Where he reached?
America.
America. Okay, he started from Italy, then went to westwards of Spain. Where he went? Westwards of Spain. He thought that he will reach to India, but where he reached? He reached to America. Where he reached? He reached to America. Okay? Then all his life, he never believed that he had discovered America instead of India. He was thinking that this place, America, where he reached, he was thinking that he has reached to India. But he was not reached to India, he reached to America. And after that, Americo Vespucci, the person name is Americo Vespucci, has given a name to a new land that is America. Clear?
yes,
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Columbus, Christopher, first was Prince. This for your general knowledge I am telling. It will be coming in ninth standard. It's not there mentioned in your textbook. For general knowledge I am telling. First was King Prince Henry. He can't find out. He can't find out a new sea route. Then came Bartholomew Dias. He has given a Cape of Good Hope. Third came Christopher Columbus. He was an Italian sailor. He started from Italy to reach India, but he reached to westward of Spain, that is an America. He believed that all his life he was believing that I reached to India, I reached to India, but he didn't reach. He reached to America. So who has corrected? Amerigo Vespucci has corrected and given a land name that is America. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And he has
Yes,
given
ma'am.
an island that is
Yes, ma'am.
West Indies. Island name was where he stopped away. He reached to an island named that is West Indies. Clear this much, Christopher Columbus.
Yes,
Girls,
ma'am.
clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So as at that time, natives, that is the people, those who were living in America, were red in color. Their skin was reddish brown. So they were known as red Indians. What they were known as? Red Indians. What they were known as?
Red
Red
Indian.
Indian.
Red
Red
Indians.
Indian.
You are noting in your books?
Red Indian.
Girls, you are noting in the books?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, your
Huh?
camera is off. Ma'am, your camera is off.
Ma'am,
My
it's
camera is on. So blurry. It's not blur. I have taken one lecture from here only. No of the boys told me that it is blurred.
मैम ब्लर आ रहा है क्लियर
No, ma'am, it is not
क्लियर
blur.
मैम
Okay, who will explain me or introduction of Columbus which just now I have explained you? Fast. Then I can move to the next topic that is Vasco da Gama.
Can I?
Yes, Sarah.
Christopher Columbus. He was an Italian sailor, uh, and he wanted to find a new sea route to India from Italy.
Yes.
He started finding the sea route and he reached westwards of Spain, and then he thought that he would soon reach America.
He he was
He
thinking that he
thought that
wished.
he would soon reach India.
Hmm.
Sorry, it was my mistake. Um, but he reached America, and he thought it as India.
Yes. So what happened? He was finally reached to an island. First of all, where he was reached it, to an island, it was near Atlantic Ocean. That island name was West Indies. After that, Amerigo Vespucci, a person name is Amerigo Vespucci, has corrected it that it is not India, it is not Red India, it is America. The land name was America. So, this way, Christopher Columbus also failed to find a new route to India. Clear? And other thing, the people, those who were living in America, where their skin was reddish brown, so they were known as Red Indians. What they were known as? Red Indians.
इंडिया
Okay. Next comes Vasco da Gama. Next comes Vasco da Gama, who has finally found out, who has finally found out a new sea route to India, a new sea route to India. Clear? This
यस
Yes,
was
मैम
ma'am.
an Italian sailor. He was an Italian sailor as he was a citizen of Italy. Okay? Now comes Vasco da Gama. He is a Portugal sailor. He is a Portugal sailor. He is a Portugal sailor. As he is living where? as he is living in Portuguese. Where he is living in Portuguese. He is known as Portugal sailor. So now, from where he started finding a sea route from Spain. From where he started finding a new sea route? From Spain to India. Sorry, Columbus has sailed from Spain to India. Now Vasco da Gama is starting from South Africa. From South Africa. From where he is finding? South
South Africa.
Africa. From Cape of Good Hope. Who find out Cape of Good Hope? I have told you very first. From Bartholomew Dias has find out. Who find out? So, Portugal sailors started from South Africa, from Cape of Good Hope. From where he started? South Africa, from Cape of Good Hope. And finally he reached a port. Where he reached? A port of Calicut. Where he reached? A port of Calicut, which is situated in India. Where it is situated? In
India.
In
India.
India.
Who? Vasco da
Gama.
Gama. He has started from South Africa, from Cape of Good Hope, and reached to Calicut in India. Okay, in which AD? On which day? 22nd May 1498. 22nd May 1490. Sorry, 1498 AD. Clear? Clear,
Yes,
beta?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
this way, arrival of Europeans. Your lesson name is arrival of Europeans in India. Yes. So this way, the people from different countries is coming to our India. How? First came was sorry, as we were trading between India and where we were trading India and Europe, the trade was going between India and Europe, but Turk Muslim has stopped this in 1453 AD. So we started finding a new sea route. First came Prince King Henry, then second came Bartholomew Dias, third came Christopher Columbus, who was an Italian sailor. He thought that he has reached to India, but he was reached to America, and he has given the name island that is West Indies. Yes. Fourth came finally of Vasco da Gama, who was a Portugal sailor. Okay, he has started finding a new sailor from South Africa, from Cape of Good Hope. Okay, and finally he reached Calicut in India on 22nd May 1498 AD. This way, this way, with whose permission now he has came? With the permission of King Zamorian. With whose permission? Permission of King Zamorian. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
With the permission of King Zamorian, Vasco da Gama came to India, and this way a new sea route was found out between India and Europe. But what happens now? With the permission of King Zamorian, he is coming. So the people from Portuguese came for trading, for business. They came to India. Where they came? They came to India for the business. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so just now I am sharing your screen. Okay, sharing the screen. That two part you'll read it so you can understand it clearly. Afterwards, I will again come to how European people came to India that we will be learning. Clear? Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You are understanding of this way, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is easier for you to learn?
Ma'am, this way is easy for us.
Yes. So this way only we will learn. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So clear not this much topics which we are learning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
In detail, in your textbook, it is not given in detail. So I am explaining you board that how these people came to India. These all things are not given in your textbook, but this all the things are coming in ninth standard. But I am explaining that why this is happening. If I will be explaining in your detail, then only you can understand it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Christopher Columbus. Who will be reading?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Christopher Columbus.
Columbus, an Italian explorer, was one of the brave sailors who ventured out to find the sea route to India. He thought that one can go to the east via
Via.
west also. West also. Why did he believe so? Think about it. Columbus started his journey to India and accidentally reached America.
I
As
have told you
long
in
as
detail. Wait, beta. I have told you in detail that he has started from Italy and from westwards of Spain. He have turned out. Okay, he moved. He thought that he reached to India, but he reached to America. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Start, beta.
as long as he lived, he was under the
Misconception
misconception
means he was misunderstanding. He was not. He was confused. Clear? That.
that,
Next.
that he had discovered the sea route to India. Hence, even today, the natives of America are called Red Indians, and the island group in the
Caribbean.
Caribbean is known as West Indians.
Yeah.
Indies,
So I have told you
West
why they were
Indies.
known as red Indians because their skin color was red, reddish brown. So they were telling them as a red Indians. Clear? And the people those who are living near Caribbean sea are known as West Indies. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And who gave the name America, Amerigo Vespucci? He has corrected and given the name America. But he reached to the island near Atlantic Ocean, which was known as West Indies. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Vasco da Gama. Chalo, who will read it down?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Vasco da Gama, a native from Portugal, discovered the sea route
From
to
where he
India.
was? From Portuguese. He was known as Portugal sailor. And Christopher Columbus was known as Italian sailor as he was the citizen of Italy. So Christopher Columbus was known as an Italian sailor. Vasco da Gama was known as Portugal sailor as he was from Portuguese. Yes.
He encircled the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa and reached the port of Calicut on 22nd,
Wait.
1498. After
I have told
crossing
you
the
in detail. I have told you in detail that what happened. He came from. He was started his journey from South Africa, from Good Hope, and finally he reached to Calicut in on 22nd May 1498. Okay, with the permission of King Zamorian. So this way the Portuguese people came for trading. Trading means business in India. Okay, next.
After crossing the Indian Ocean, the then ruling king of Calicut, Zamorin, gave permission to Portuguese to trade. The
To India.
Portuguese established a fort in Calicut for trade in 1500 CE. They fortified it and appointed a commander in chief, namely Albuquerque,
Albuquerque
Albuquerque, to
to safeguard
safeguard the fort. Moving northward, Albuquerque conquered Goa in 1506 CE. Within a span of 100 years, the Portuguese took control of Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai, and island of Lanka.
Okay, so I will explain you this topic on board. Okay, after that Dutch people came, French people came, British people came. This way you can't understand it. So I will explain you in detail. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Why it's not closing? So now comes Portuguese people. Portuguese people means with the permission of King Zamorian, as he has find out, Vasco da Gama find out a new sea route to India. So he took a permission from King Zamorian. So this way, in 1503, who has established a trade center? Portugal people has established a trade center. In which AD? That is 1500 CE AD. Who came? Portugal people has opened trade center. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what's happening? In your textbook, they have given by paragraph, okay? That first Portuguese people came, then end of Portuguese rule. The topics are this way. But if you will be studying as Portuguese people came in India, okay? Vasco da Gama came in 1498 AD. So by that time only they have taken the permission from King Samorian and came for the trading in, okay? After that, after 100 of years, Dutch people, which people? Dutch. Dutch from Holland. Dutch from Holland. As these people have said that they are succeeding in India, okay, means they are getting more money in India. So which people came? Dutch from Holland. That is second they came. Okay, with them, Danish from Denmark. Danish people. These are the peoples from where? From Denmark came to India. Came to India for trading. Who came? Dutch from Poland and Danish from Denmark came to India for trading. At that time, who were there? Portuguese people were there still in India. You are clear? Beta, you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? As they have found out new cereals, so they got a permission to come to India. So which people came? Portuguese people came. Okay, in 1503 they opened their trade center. They have conquered which places? They have conquered Diu, Daman, Goa, Cochin. Okay. Then came as these people saw that Portuguese people are too much getting benefits. Yes, they are succeeding. So now came Dutch from Holland and Danish from Denmark. Okay. Now what happens? Now British peoples are coming. Who are coming? British people. Who are coming?
British people.
Britishers.
British people.
So third came Britishers. Third came Britishers. They are coming to India. With whose permission? Now you will be thinking that how they are coming. So they are coming with the permission of Queen Elizabeth. With whose permission? Queen Elizabeth. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
First coming Portuguese, then coming Dutch and Danish, now coming Britishers. With whose permission? Queen Elizabeth in 1600 AD. Which AD?
1680.
So you
1600.
can say that 100 years AD there is a gap. Yes? 1500 AD who came? Portuguese. Then came Dutch and Danish in between. And after 100 of years, Britishers people are coming with the permission of Queen Elizabeth. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now what happens? As these people, people, British people are opening a company that is East India Company. Which company they are opening? East
East
India,
India.
India Company. But if they are opening that trade center, okay, East India Company they are opening, then these people are getting lost. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. As these people are opening the trade center, then these people are getting lost. So what they have done? Portuguese people has opposed as they have came first. So Portuguese people opposed that we will not allow you to open a trade center in India. You move away, okay? They are telling that we will not allow you to open a trade center in India. So these people are British people are taking now permission with whom? That is Mughal King Emperor Jahangir. Mughal Emperor Jahangir. With whose permission now they are opening a trade center? First of all, they have taken from the permission taken from the Queen Elizabeth. Okay, but Portuguese people oppose it. They were not allowing to open the trade center. So with whose permission they are opening? Mughal Emperor
Jahangir.
Jahangir. So they are opening with the permission of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. What they are opening? British East India Company. What they are opening? East India Company. Now, in which year they are opening? With the permission of Emperor Jahangir in the year 1613 AD. Which year? 1613 AD they are opening. Where they are opening? Surat in Kothi. It is a name of a village, Kothi. Okay. District is Surat. Surat in Kothi. They are opening a trade center in 1613 AD. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but the Mughal emperor was Jahangir, na? You have written Jahani.
Both the spell. Sorry. Bas? Clear this much?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So this way, British people came to India. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it
Yes,
is a very
ma'am.
big story that you will be learning in ninth standard. How they have opened trade center in Ahmedabad, Bharuch, and Surat. Then they have made in 1687 AD. They have made Mumbai a headquarters. But as the Marathas were opposing them, so they went to Southeast India. That is Machilipatnam. Okay, Chennai, Kolkata. Okay. After that, they have started capturing whole the parts. Okay, but these things you will be learning in ninth standard. I will not show you in detail. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
clear? Now, now comes French people. Now who will be coming? French people. Okay, after Britishers, French people are coming. At that time, uh, Portuguese people are leaving India. Who are living? Portuguese people are living India. Now comes French people. French means France people. Clear? So as French people are coming in India, okay. So the French people also started that uh, they are started trade center with Britishers and Dutch people. They have started trading between whom? Britishers and Dutch people. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So French people have started French East India Company. Which company they have started? French East India Company. Clear?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
they have started?
Yes,
French
ma'am.
East India Company. With wait a second. Dutch and British people. With whom? Dutch and British. Okay? Yes, who was asking the question? As anyone was asking the question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this much you are clear. First came Portuguese people, second Dutch and Danish people, third came British people, but they have set a vast trading. Okay, now comes French people, France people. Okay, they have started French East India Company with whom? Dutch and British people. Clear this much?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
at that time also there was a war happened. There was a fight which was happened between French and British people. With whom the war was happened? French and British people. A war was happened. This you are not having in your textbook, just for your knowledge I am telling you. So at that time, who left over? A Portuguese people left over. How many years they have lived in our India? For hundred of years. How many years? For hundred of years. So this way, Portuguese people left over India, and Britishers have started was spreading, controlling over India. Clear this much. To we will keep our topics till today, till here only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So I have
Okay,
given
ma'am.
you all the topics from your textbook. In your textbook, first Portuguese people, then end of Portuguese rule. But this way you can't learn it. So I have explained you that first of all who came and at what time they have left over our India. Okay. So understood this way.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
For
ma'am.
you it is easier to learn it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Or shall I have to share the screen and only explain?
No, ma'am.
Understood.
Okay, very nice. So today I am going to send you two questions, two yes quick questions that you have to write it in your spare book. Where you have to write it?
Fair book.
Fair book.
Fair book.
Compulsory.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am. Yes,
And you
ma'am.
have noted the points which was I was writing in your board on board.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. So when you will be sitting for learning, it will be easy for you to learn.
Okay.
Okay. So after this French people are going now. Sorry, French is ruling. At that time, Battle of Plassey is happening. You are having in your textbook a Battle of Plassey war. So at that time, Battle of Plassey war is happening. But tomorrow, first of all, we will be reading from the textbook and I am explaining, and then I will be starting with a topic that is Battle of Plassey. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So today I have explained you four topics by merging. So it will be easier for you to learn. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I want to ask some questions. As I have explained you, then you can give me the answers. Yes? I
Yes.
think so. So I want to ask some questions. I am asking the questions that first question is who has stopped the land route and sea route between India and Europe?
What, ma'am?
Who has stopped which people had stopped a land route and sea route between India and Europe.
Turk Muslim.
Turk Muslims. Very nice. For your knowledge, I have given you a year also in 1413 AD. 1453 AD, sorry. Yes? So why we have so as spreading is stopped. So we have started finding a direct route between India and Europe.
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
As the trade was stopped. Okay, thus people had stopped trading between India and Europe. So we started discovering a dash between India and Europe. What?
Sea route.
A new sea route to India. Okay. So first was who. For general knowledge, I have told you that name, person's name. First was a king, prince,
Henry.
Henry, yes, but he was French. Second was who has given a good hope, cap of good hope, Bartholomew, Bartholomew
Vasco.
Dias, yes, and third came Christopher Columbus. What he was thinking? What he was thinking? Christopher Columbus was the citizen of which country?
Italy.
Italy.
Italian.
Yes, yes. and what he has done. Give me a brief introduction about Christopher Columbus. Who will be giving?
Can I?
Yes, Sarah.
Christopher Columbus wanted to discover a new sea route to India. He started discovering the new sea route from
South
uh, he started discovering the new
from
sea route.
Italy
He reached
to America, but he was thinking, whose idea is Irfan somewhat? Mute your mic. He started discovering a new sea route, but he was scared. He thought that he reached to America, but he was reached to an island West Indies, and America West UP has corrected it and given a name America. Next came Vasco da Gama. He was a Dutch sailor. He was a
Portugal.
Dutch Portugal sailor. Yes. So finally he reached to Calicut in on 22nd May 1498 with the permission of King Zamorian. At that time, the Portuguese people came for trading. In 1500 CE, Portugal has opened their trade center in India. They have control over the Diu, Daman, Goa, and Cochin. Yes, after that, seeing the Dutch and Danish people came to India, they also started trading. And third came British people. They have, with the permission of Queen Elizabeth, he also established a trade center, but Portuguese people has opposed it. So, with the permission of Mughal King Emperor Jahangir, they have established a British East India Company in Surat in Koti in 1613 AD. Then they have vast trade. They moved to some of the places. At that time, after that, French came. French East India Company. They have established with Dutch and British, but a war between French and British happened. So French people went away. At that time, Portuguese people also left the India. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So today's homework to write the I will send you PDF that you have to write it in your fair not book. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you enjoyed this lecture?
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This way you are learning 100%. You are learning this way. It is easier for
Yes.
you to
Yes,
learn.
ma'am.
Yes.
Only I am getting from one only answer. Others, Modesa.
Yes.
Where is Modesa today? Zoe is never speaking. Shifa
Yes,
Lakhani.
ma'am.
Aisha,
Yes, ma'am.
are you learning better?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. So tomorrow we will be starting first from textbook. I will be showing you screen and learning and then Battle of Places.
Okay, ma'am.
And I will be giving you how much chapters you are going to have.